In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Prezi presentation. Let's start by getting into the editor. Head to Prezi.com, log in, and open your dashboard. Find the presentation you want to work on, then click the Edit icon. That opens the canvas where all your content lives and where you'll make your changes. Once you're in, editing content is straightforward. Click any text, image, video, shape, or other object on the canvas to select it. For text, just start typing to change what's there. You'll see a context toolbar appear when an item is selected. Use it to format your text with different fonts, sizes, colors, and alignment. You can move objects by dragging them, resize them using the corner handles, and rotate them with the rotation handle. If you notice guidelines snapping into place while you move items, use those to keep things neat and aligned. Small adjustments go a long way in keeping your design clean and readable. To add new elements, look to the top toolbar and open the Insert menu. From there you can add text, images, videos, frames, shapes, audio, and other media. After you insert something, drag and drop it to position it exactly where you want. Think about spacing and scale as you place items so your audience's eye knows where to go next. Frames are especially useful for grouping related content and building the flow of your story. Speaking of flow, use the left sidebar to manage your layout and order. This panel shows your frames and the overall structure of your presentation. Drag frames up or down in the list to reorder them. This directly controls the path your Prezi will follow when it plays, so reordering here is how you reshape the narrative. If something feels out of sequence, a quick drag in this sidebar will fix it. Next, make your design your own. In the top toolbar, open the Style options to change your background, colors, fonts, and overall theme. This is where you give your presentation a cohesive look. You can also click individual objects and use the Context toolbar to adjust their appearance. Tweak colors, borders, and other styling to match your theme. Keep contrast high for readability and stick to a limited color palette to maintain consistency. As you work, Prezi usually autosaves your changes. Look for the saved indicator and give it a moment before closing the editor to make sure everything is safely stored. That's it. Now you know how to open, edit, add content, reorder, and style your Prezi like a pro.